Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sew It Yourself. In this video, I am going to share you how to cut and stitch this beautiful palazzo pant. You can pair it with a short top as well as long kurti. Now, without any further delay, let's get into the video. For today's project, I have taken a 2.25 meter plain rayon fabric and I am going to show you how to do markings in it. Firstly, I am folding the fabric half in width. These are two layers. I have folded the fabric half in width. Now I am going to fold half in length. So here we will get 4 layers. The first 2 layers is for front portion and the second 2 layers is for back portion. This is for front and back. Now I'll do markings. Firstly, length of my palazzo pant is 40 inch, which includes 2 inch for belt plus 1 inch for folding at the bottom. So I'm marking 40 inch. I'm extending these points. So from this point mark 2 inch because I am going to insert 1 inch elastic, so I am leaving 2 inch for belt length. In my measurement, hip is 40 inch divided by 4 is 10 inch plus 2 inch for seam allowance, so I am marking 12 inch. Similarly, mark 12 inch here. So from the bottom, mark 1 inch above for folding at the bottom. From this point, mark 12 inch. This is a crotch area similar to the hip measurement. I am joining these points. From this point, mark 2 inch. I am extending these points. So draw a small curve here. Find the midpoint and mark it, which is 6 inch. So I am joining these points. Similarly, I am extending these points at the bottom. So mark 6 inch here. So why I am marking 6 inches? 12 divided by 2 gives you 6 inch. Since my hip measurement is 12, divided by 2 gives you 6 inch. Okay, from the bottom, I am marking 10 inch. That is, bottom round is 10 inch. So I am placing 5 inch at the middle of this line and I am marking 10 inch like this. Now I'll join these 2 points. Similarly, these 2 points. With this, my front portion marking is complete. Now I'll trim only the front portion. For the back portion, one more measurement is pending. So firstly, I'll trim the front portion. I'm separating the front and the back portions. So I am placing the front portion on the back portion. I am leaving 2 inch more space for the back portion. At the top of the belt, and I am placing the scale like this and I am marking it. Similarly, for the crotch side, I am marking 2 inch extra for the back portion. I have finished cutting for both front and the back portion. This is how it looks. Now I'll show you how to stitch this pant. This is the front portion. Now I'll make a stitch at the crotch area. Similarly, for back portion also I'm going to do the same. Always make a double stitch at the crotch area. I have finished attaching the crotch area for the front portion as well as for the back portion. Now I'll show you how to attach the sides. I'm placing the back portion. This is the right side of the fabric. Now I'm placing the front portion. Since our front portion is smaller than the back portion, you have to adjust and make a stitch at both the sides like this. So after attaching the sides, you have to fold and make a stitch like this. It will give a nice professional look to the pant. Similarly, I finished the other side. I finished attaching both the sides. Now I'll finish the crotch area. Firstly, I'm folding the bottom twice, then I'll make a stitch at the inner edge. Similarly, I finished the other side. Now I'm attaching the crotch area. So I have finished attaching the bottom as well as the crotch area. Now I am going to fold the belt part twice. Firstly, I'll fold it like this, then I'll fold another time. Then I'll make a stitch and I will leave half inch space to insert an 31 inch. Your waist measurement minus 5 inch. Now I'm folding it one more time and I'm leaving half inch space for inserting an elastic. While stitching, make sure you have folded for 1 inch because we are inserting 1 inch elastics. It's so simple to make. Now I'm inserting an elastic using the safety pin. I'm overlapping both the elastic and I'll make a stitch. I'm securing the elastic by making a stitch at the inner edge. I'm giving a top stitch. With this, my stitching is complete. Thanks for watching.